Pack smarter with Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes. Save space and travel in style. Transform your travel experience with Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes. These luggage organizer bags, made from durable nylon, offer a double zipper design to compress and maximize space in your suitcase, available in a sleek black 4-pack. These cubes are perfect for any traveler looking to pack efficiently and stylishly. Enjoy wrinkle-free clothes, easy organization, and premium quality with Aerotrunk. Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes allow you to pack faster and more efficiently. With an assortment of sizes in a 4-pack set, these cubes help you keep personal items organized and easily accessible. Simply place them in hotel drawers or closets upon arrival. The double zipper compression design increases packing space by up to 50%, letting you bring more clothes and belongings on your next trip without overstuffing your suitcase. Designed to keep your clothes looking fresh, Aerotrunk packing cubes minimize garment wrinkles, ensuring you look great for any occasion. Crafted with premium nylon twill and a breathable mesh top, these cubes are built to last. The top mesh panel allows you to quickly see the contents without unpacking, making it easy to find what you need. The durable construction ensures that these cubes can withstand the rigors of travel for years to come. Aerotrunk compression packing cubes are compatible with most luggage types, fitting perfectly into carry-ons, check-in luggage, and backpacks. The 4-piece set is ideal for carry-ons, while the 6-piece set is perfect for larger suitcases. Customers love the high-quality zippers and sturdy design, noting that the cubes are easy to use, compress well, and make organization a breeze. With TSA approval for air travel, these cubes ensure efficient and hassle-free packing. Invest in Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes for an unparalleled travel experience. These cubes not only save space and reduce wrinkles, but also offer superior durability and style. Affordable and tech-tested, they provide excellent value for money, making them a must-have for any traveler. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of organized packing with Aerotrunk and elevate your travel game to new heights.